Hello, Chris here. I got some comments and messages about that I should do it in English, so I will try that so my international viewers also can follow. The prep work continues before painting and also some reparation of some small parts. And I think also now will be time to focus on the rear suspension. We'll try to fix that so it will be ready to fit the sled when I come to that part. But we can take a look at it and see what we have to deal with. Yeah, this is the original rear suspension from the sled that I'm working with. Really nasty, a lot of rust, and there you can see it has been welded, so it's broken in several places. Luckily I have a part sled, and this seems to be much better. Of course I need to take this apart also and clean and change bearings and paint, but much better to start with. So yeah, let's take this apart and see what we have to do to get it in proper shape. Yeah, now it's mostly apart, and actually most of the parts looks really good. Of course some bushings needs to be replaced and cleaning, and then I had a couple of bolts and washers that are not original. So let's see if the spare one have the correct bolts and nuts and so on. So yeah, parts needs to be cleaned, painted. Yeah, quite happily surprised. Looks really good. The rails also, we have a little bit problem on that side, but maybe also the one on that rail on that one, maybe it's better. So I will see. Otherwise it doesn't really matter. I assume it's due to that some of the screws has been loose there. So. Okay, now I have started to take apart the rear suspension. So here we have some parts that will be sandblasted. The rails will be cleaned. More parts that needs to be cleaned, bearing changed. Here we have some parts that needs to be also cleaned before sandblasting. And then over here I have a ultrasonic bath going on with, you can't see, but it's all kinds of screws and bolts and washers and so on. But yeah, let's start cleaning and cleaning and sandblasting now. parts have now been cleaned, and here we have a couple of the linkage from the suspension that are sandblasted, so they can be painted. Yeah, and a lot of screws, and yeah, there are the old bearings, the wheels, shocks, shafts, everything. Yeah, a lot of work to get all parts cleaned and fixed, and yeah, let's see what needs to be bought new. I see these plastic bushings are like, yeah, just half of it left. Some are looking a little bit better. So yeah, just to continue, see. Some parts for the rear suspension prepped for paint, and some is just cleaned up, ready to use. Epoxy primer is put on the chassis and some other parts. Yeah, this will be all for this video, and of course we'll be continuing this project, but I think the next video here on the channel will actually be when I'm picking up my new Lynx X-Train at Ljungbergs Motor. The information is that it should arrive maybe today or tomorrow, so I will put together a film when I'm driving up there and unboxing it and putting it together. But hope you enjoyed and liked this update on the Yamaha project, and see you in the next video.